Hey, what's up DIYers, Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. Today we're talking radon gas systems and we just got test number 3 results back. Let's take a look. Test number 3 results are in on the left hand side. This is our second test or retest after we converted our passive system to an active system. And this was given to us by the company that installed or converted our passive into an active. And our original, if you've watched our previous video, was 5.5. That was alarming. And that video is scrolling above in the event that you want a full detailed explanation on these reports. Definitely check that out. Again, it was 5.5. And the retest came back 0.3, which was a substantial difference and a lot safer. However, test number 3, what I wanted to do was go back to first alert and perform a third test for a couple different reasons. Number 1, it was a different company or different test. There were a couple differences on how you actually perform the test and what the test kit looked like. The second reason had to do with the time frame of the test. The original first alert is a 48-hour or 2-day test. The retest provided by the company that converted our system was a 3-day test or a 72-hour test. So I wanted to go back to the first alert and perform the exact same test as I did with test number 1, and here's what it came back. 0.7, and that is a significant difference from the 5.5 of test 1. However, not so much from the 0.3, which was our retest. A little higher, but that's okay. Everything else was done the same. We actually performed this test. The start date was May 21st, 2020 at 9:30 a.m. 2 days later, 9:30 a.m., May 23rd, 2020, we stopped the test. Again, an exposure of 48 hours, a short-term activated charcoal test. And they received it on May 27th, and they reported it to us on May 31st, 2020. So in our opinion, there was a benefit of completing a third test just for peace of mind and seeing the differences between the retest or test number 2 and the third test by going back to a different company, First Alert Radon Gas Test Kit. And these First Alert are 3-page reports, and again, in the event that you want a full detailed walkthrough of these reports, check out that video that was scrolling above earlier. We talk about test number 1 and we talk about the full report. At this point, we've got peace of mind. We are very satisfied with the conversion from passive to active, and in our opinion, it was worth the money and time. So hopefully this helps. Do us a favor, below the video, you'll see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We would really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching.